Hey, this is Sam here from RecipeThis.com and the voice behind the popular Kitchen Gadgets podcast, Magic with Gadgets. Today I'm going to show you how to make a pigs in blankets version of air fryer sausage rolls. Inspired by our daughter Sophia, she said, I wonder if we can put those in sausage rolls instead, Mummy. So we gave them a go. They were absolutely delicious. And they're just perfect for an easy version of sausage rolls this Christmas time. So what ingredients do you need, you may be wondering? Well, it's a really simple mixture. Pigs in blankets, of course, some ready roll puff pastry, egg wash, some grated cheese, because doesn't everything taste better with grated cheese melted? And then we're using some chutney. You can use chutney, cranberry sauce, or any of the other ones that you have around at this time of year, because often, you know, you end up buying a jar for some cheese and biscuits, using about a quarter of the jar and then having loads left. So it's a good opportunity to use up some of your Christmas chutneys on this recipe. So we're going to get started. So ingredients to one side. Let's get the puff pastry out first, shall we? And what is brilliant about it is the baking sheet it comes on is ideal for cooking your sausage rolls on in the air fryer. So you can save yourself having to clean the air fryer or to get a paper liner or something else to use. So let's roll it out, shall we? So then I prefer to do it like I've got the pastry here, so it's in portrait position, because then it's easy for adding your egg wash to and whatnot. So we're going to start with a layer of the egg wash. I normally do it like that because it's so much easier to brush on. And then add your layer of egg wash. And then when you're done like that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the egg wash to one side, and then I'm going to get some of the chutney into a bowl so that I'm not re-adding raw egg back into the jar. So grab out a cup or something that you can just pour some into. So it depends on how much you want to actually use in this recipe. I'd say a big heaped tablespoon is perfect. Then add it all in, and then you can add little bits of it. So then add the last little bit of your chutney and just spread it out, and then we can start adding in the other ingredients. So now is a good time to turn it. So turn it around like this. Get that under like that, because you don't want it going over. And then what you can do here is you can half it. Just turn it back around. Half it down the middle. And then we're going to start adding the cheese and then the pigs in blankets. And then add a layer of your cheese. And now, last but not least, pigs in blankets. So then add them like this across the edge, and then same again on the other side. And then we've got some spare pigs in blankets. And then what you want to do now is you want to cut each one so that you're creating your shape for your pigs in blanket like that, if you look. So then you've got a perfect pigs in blanket sausage roll. So then continue doing this until you've done them all. You might find it easy to cut all in one go, or to cut them individually. So then that's all of them at this side now. And then the chutney is also brilliant for sticking them together as well. And then wow, look at that, that's half of them done already. So rinse and repeat for the other side. And then chop the end off that last one. And then look at that, you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 mini sausage rolls. So I'm just going to have a quick tidy up, and then we can get them going in the air fryer. So now I've had a quick tidy up, not fully but enough so that I can get these on. So I've cut down the paper liner slightly as well. And then what you want is you want the crease at the bottom, not at the top. And then if you look there, we've managed to fit all of them on this paper liner. And then what you can do is you can give them a snip in the top if you want to. And then once you've done this, I've given the egg wash brush a clean, and then you can add another layer of egg wash on top, and then you're soon going to have the most amazing Christmas sausage rolls. Like I said, these are brilliant for using up your leftovers. So if you've got some cheese left from your cheese board, you've got some chutney or cranberry sauce that needs using up, any of these things are brilliant. Another one that's brilliant is also, there's a pack of 4 dips and the normal Mexican dips. They're also good as an alternative to add in. And then once you've done that, you've done your egg wash, you're ready for them to go in the air fryer. So I'm using my Cosori air fryer. Make sure you have a really good grip of them so that they're not going to fall everywhere. And then get them in the air fryer. One of them's right in the corner there, so I'm going to move that down a bit. And then I'm going to move those across a bit so that it's weighed down. And then there you have it. Those are your sausage rolls ready to go in. I'm just going to give my hands a quick wash. And then let's get them on, shall we? So I'm going to start with 12 minutes at 180 Celsius. That's 360 Fahrenheit. Because then you can always add time, but of course you can't take time away. And then press start. Now that the air fryer is on, let me talk to you about the Christmas air fryer plan. It's a free ebook that we've created for you, and it shares with you 25 popular Christmas recipes for the air fryer, as well as grocery lists, how to have a stress-free Christmas, and 25 of the best ever air fryer Christmas recipes. If you head over to recipethis.com and search Christmas, you can get the full details. And now, let's get back to that air fryer. And we've beeped. So, shall we check on these Christmas sausage rolls? So, as you know, they've done 12 minutes, and we find 12 minutes is spot on for them because they're party sausage rolls as well. Whilst if you were doing full-size sausage rolls, I'd be recommending 15 to 16 minutes. So let's check. Oh wow, look at those beauties. Don't they look fantastic? I just can't believe how good they look. And remember, all that mess is on the paper liner, not on your air fryer, which if you've got something else to get straight back into the air fryer, with it being Christmas time, then that is just perfect. So let's have a look, shall we, at them. So to grab them back out, same way as you got them in, get a good grip of them by the paper liner. Look like that. Look at that. Just one little bit of something or other there, and that's it. Look, clean air fryer. What can I say? Isn't that fantastic? And then look at them like that. Don't they look fantastic? I'm just going to give you a close-up on them because they're just so amazing. So let me grab one and show you what they look like. Using a spatula because they're still red hot. Don't they look fantastic? Perfect sausage rolls cooked in the air fryer. And just think of the mix and match of ingredients that you can do with these. I mean, I've used some chutney, but imagine what else do you have hanging around in your kitchen that you could use. There's just so much choice there, isn't there? So I'm going to wait for them to cool down, and then I could try one and tell you just how amazing they are. So the sausages have had a chance to cool down. So let's try one, shall we? Oh, I just love the melted cheese on them. I mean, oh, look at that. Isn't that brilliant? Oh, this is good. Oh, chutney with them. Oh. These are so good. I mean, look at the sausage in the middle there. They're just perfect. And just think of the different variations you can do with them. Like I said, your leftover cheese board is brilliant. And yeah, adding some brie, or another melted cheese in there instead of grated cheese. You can just mix and match depending on how you like them. And they're just a fantastic festive addition to homemade sausage rolls in the air fryer. And unless I don't get to chance again, Merry Christmas from Sam and Dom. Have you checked out Air Fryer Easy Everyday yet? It's our brand new air fryer cookbook, following on from the success of the Complete Air Fryer Cookbook. It has over 140 everyday air fryer recipes for you to follow along with at home in your air fryer. Perfect for different types of air fryers too, as it covers the air fryer oven, basket and dual air fryers, as well as some fun recipes if you're cooking for one. So what are you waiting for? Go and order yourself a copy now and you will not be disappointed. It's from 12 years of air frying. And thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to follow us on Pinterest, Facebook, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and of course, you can also find us on TikTok. But best of all, head over to recipethis.com/newsletter to join our weekly newsletter. And I'm Sam, and thanks again for watching.